American Accent English Training. My name is Alyssa, and this is Lesson 1. Today we're going to learn R. We're going to start with the R sound because it's one of the most commonly used sounds in the English language. It also really affects your accent. If you're not saying it correctly, you might be difficult to be understood. Now, it's the same thing for me when I speak in Spanish. My Spanish R really affects my accent. Sometimes I am difficult to be understood when I speak in Spanish because my R is incorrect. So we want to make sure that your English R is correct, and we're going to clean up any problems that you might be having with that pronunciation. Let's start with what you already know. You may not think about it often or probably at all, but when you say an R in Spanish, your mouth goes back and your tongue goes forward. Your tongue actually touches the top of your mouth when you say an R in Spanish. Think about the word puerta. Puerta. Your mouth goes back, your tongue touches the roof of your mouth, right? Mi hermana abrió la puerta. Back, back, back. And your tongue forward, forward, forward. Okay. Now, when you say an R in English, you do the exact opposite. Your mouth and your lips go forward and your tongue goes back. I'm going to say that again. Your mouth and your lips go forward and your tongue goes back. Let's break this into two parts. First, your mouth going forward. Okay. You're going to pucker up like you're about to give a kiss. Don't actually give it. Just lean in, you see what's there, and you change your mind. Kind of like that, okay? So, you're about to give a kiss? Try it with me. Like that, exactly. Okay, now, the second thing is your tongue is going to go back. Your tongue should not touch any part of the inside of your mouth. It just kind of hangs out in the middle there. So let's put it together. Make your lips and your mouth forward and your tongue go back, and we're going to say the R sound. Ready? Do it with me. Did you try it? Let's do it again. Don't feel silly. Exaggerate it. Make your face as forward as you possibly can, your lips as forward as you possibly can, and bring your tongue back. Don't feel silly. Okay, let's do it again. Are you doing it with me? Good. Excellent. Okay. Now, let's try the word red. Say that. Perfect. Excellent. Very good. I'm going to turn my head to the side so you can see how forward my mouth is. Okay? Red. Red. Okay. So, we're going to practice some words now that begin with R. We'll start a little bit easier because when a word begins with R, you're already thinking about it, and you can shape your lips and your mouth how it's supposed to be before you even start to say the word, okay? Lips forward, tongue back. Let's practice some words together. Run. River. Rocket. Race. Rat. Rice. Radio. Ring. Rabbit. Road. Very good. Good job. Let's try this sentence together. The red rabbit eats rice while running to the road. Try that. Very good. Okay, now we're going to do R's in the middle of words. This gets a little more tricky because some people have a tendency to roll their R's when the R comes in the middle of the word. Think of the word cherry. Instead of saying cherry, lots of people might say cherry by rolling their R. Don't do that. Cherry. Earring. Turtle. Garbage. Celery. Operation. Squirrel. Period. Lizard. Giraffe. Everyone. Hearing. Original. Very. Garlic. Okay, let's try a sentence with R's in the middle. The giraffe ate blueberry pancakes with syrup for breakfast. Try that. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Now we're going to go with R's that are at the ends of the words. This can be the most difficult because oftentimes people just don't pronounce them at all, or they still roll their R's. They'll say bar or ba, right? Both are wrong. Lips and mouth forward, tongue back, like always. Okay? Here we go. Ready? Ear. Door. Car. Bear. Bar. Alligator. Mother. Tear. Teacher. Hair. Excellent. Very good job. Now, let's do a sentence with R's at the end. The jaguar will disappear during the rainstorm. Try that. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Now we're going to talk about R blends. That's just a fancy way to say a consonant followed directly by an R. The trick to this is that the R is actually stronger than the first sound in the word. So think about the word bread. It's not bread with the B very strong. Instead, say it like this. Bread. Try that with me. Very good. Now, in that example, the R is stronger. In fact, fact, if you noticed, my lips start to make the shape of the R even while I'm saying the B, because the R is more important. Now let's try some examples. These are lots of words that have R blends in them. Okay? So, here we go. Ready? Brother. Brick. Grab. Drive. Freckles. Dream. Grandpa. Break. Aggressive. Pretzel. Depression. Train. Introduction. Very good job. Excellent. Our blends could be difficult. You did an excellent job. Okay. Now we will practice some sentences. We're going to put together everything that we've learned with sentences that contain a lot of R's in them. So are you ready? I will say them. I will really exaggerate the R's. You do that too. Really push your face forward, pull your tongue back, don't forget, and come along with me and repeat after what I say, okay? The kangaroo memorizes the homework before entering the classroom. Excellent. The surgeon performed the necessary operation. Very good. Very good. Everybody was very, very crazy at the party. Perfect. Very good. Okay, that's the R. If you remember to keep your lips forward and your tongue back, your R is going to be perfect.